1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Coupe. This particular car came out of long-term storage, was with the same gentleman for 15 plus years, and unfortunately no longer with us. The family brought this and a few other cars to be sold for them, and we got it running. We've driven it on our frontage road, around the parking lot, what have you, and it does run and drive. It's one of those, if you were going to make longer trips in it, you'd want to give it the once over when you got it home, maybe take it to the next level. If you just want to do short trips around your area with it, suit yourself and kind of choose what you'd like to do. Let's take a look at the chrome and the front grille. Here's the front bumper, has been re-chromed, bumper guards on the end. Good looking bumper in front end on these. Underneath the hood, 216 inline 6 powered. Looks like it's out of a 1942 by judging by the casting and then also the stamp on it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay interior's been redone in it. It's obviously had a repaint along the way. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Some of the bright work, you may have a little bit of pitting on the chrome. Paint shows well, but it is an older paint. Otherwise, you can see it's nice bright red, has a decent luster to it. Riding on the Chevy stock wheels with beauty rings, wheel covers. Interior is kind of a, I guess I'd call it tan to saddle. Comes off a little lighter than it really is in the video. It's a little bit darker in person, but yeah, kind of a dark cream to saddle color, tan. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There will be an extra steel wheel and tire that will go with this, and some touch-up paint will make sure is in the trunk. Take a look at the rear bumper. Appears that has been re-chromed also with the bumper guards on the ends. 216 underneath the hood is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column, of course. Just snoop over the driver's side with me here a second. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online too, so you can kind of check it out from every angle. Interior, underside, engine bay. As you can see, door panels or door cars, nice shape. Bench seat, of course, up front, cloth and vinyl combination bench seat. Rear is the same. Headliner, also in good shape. All right, let's fire this up. Of course, key turn, and you do a push button down on the floor. A little bit of gas. What I could tell from gauges working was fuel and oil pressure came up. Those were the two that I could confirm worked. Did not have the radial or wipers working, FYI. Otherwise, pretty stock looking dash. Oops. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that exhaust, see how the engine sounds. I would say what you'd expect out of an inline 6. Obviously more of a stock vehicle than really modified a whole lot, or hot rod or street rod or anything like that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Hood release is inside the passenger compartment, so let's pop that, open the hood, we'll check out the engine bay, finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, engine pop. Remember, this came out of long-term storage. We got it running for the family. Price reflects the fact that you may need to take this to the next level if you want to take it on longer trips. But again, you can see it runs. Use an air filter, obviously, single barrel carb. We'll run and drive. 1941 Special Deluxe Coupe. Bright red Chevrolet. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.